how to draw a super easy village scenery with orange sunset for all of the beginners. Let's get started. Hello everyone, I am Ananya going to draw a super easy village scenery for you all. So at first, hold the drawing with a black marker. But if you think you have to erase on some point in the drawing, I suggest you to draw the picture with 2B or HB pencil that you can easily erase on some point. I love my village a lot. That's why I always love to draw my village in my drawing with house, hill, tree, and obviously the sunset sky. So our drawing is almost complete. Let's color. Draw the hill first with Prussian blue, green, grass green, and yellow green. Don't forget to mix up all of the color properly. And in this lockdown time, you can easily try this at home, and I think by practicing you can draw it properly. And if you try this at home, don't forget to comment me below. I'm always here. If you love to watch like this more, don't forget to subscribe my channel. My green hill is complete. Now turn to the river. Color it with Prussian blue, coffee blue, and sky blue. And at last, I have applied a new technique on this, and that is I haven't the light sky blue color. For that reason, I had to use the sky blue color first so lightly, and on this I used a white color on the circle way, and it is the technique. And if you want, you can also try this if you haven't the light sky blue color. It would look like that you used the light sky blue color, and that was my technique, and I also applied it on the orangey sunset. Let's see. Now color the super orangey sunset sky with orange, yellow orange, and yellow. And at last I applied again the ninja technique that I said at last. Don't forget to share your assessment on this orangey sunset and the whole drawing in comment below. In this sky, I again used the ninja technique, and that is use yellow lightly and then blend with proper white. And that is, if you haven't the light yellow color, just apply it, and if you have, just go for it. Our super orangey sunset sky is almost complete. Now draw the flowers of the tree with vintage brown, red, and orange. That is the flower you can easily see on my country on spring season. Name of the marvelous is Krishnachura. Then draw the tree bush with vintage brown and yellow ochre. Don't forget to try this at home. And if you feel any kind of difficulty to draw this, you can easily ask in the comment below. I will be always here to answer you. All of the equipment that I have used to draw this picture, I would share with you in the description box. You can see that. Then colors the hills with purple and lavender, and the another with pink and light pink. Then draw the super beautiful house with vintage brown, yellow ochre, and perhaps brown. I just forgot it. And then outline whole picture with a black outliner. And our drawing is complete. you like this tutorial and learn a little bit from my drawing tutorial, then press the like button. And you want to watch more? Then subscribe my channel, and to watch previous, click on the I button. Time to bounce. See you in the next video. Ta-da!